Good evening, fellow Toastmasters and guests. That workshop that Sarina presented was focused on accent and pronunciation. She was an inspiration to me, not only as a way to improve my communication skills, but also on a personal level. As Georgia mentioned, it was my first Hellenic American Union Toastmasters meeting as a guest, and I was very lucky to meet this amazing team, as well as Sarina, who was there and shared with us her story and her experiences with these two topics. But she did more than this. Sarina explained to us the differences between accent and pronunciation, and we all learned a lesson. We should accept our accent because it says a story about who we are and about where we were born or our life where was around the earth. So we should accept it and own our own story. And if we are confident enough with this, other people are more likely to accept it or not even notice it. I was also very impressed by Sarina's communication skills. For example, how she could depict so amazingly a conversation with a friend by just moving the position of your body. It was a very interesting workshop, and I've learned a lot of things. And Sarina helped me to see things through a different perspective. For example, like how we can be confident with our accent and own it and shine, in our second, for example, language. I would like also to share with you a message that came after that meeting, is that we should all celebrate more our differences and not change who we are, or for example our accent, because this is us and we were only born once. Thank you so much, Sarina, for reminding this to us and for sharing and for your passion, your willingness to share your own story with the club. I would like to wish you all the best, every success, happiness, and health. And of course, we would like to see you again and share with us more exciting stories. Thank you so much.
Hello, fellow Toastmasters all the way in Athens. Isn't it amazing what we can do in our virtual environment? And what I can see is that you've certainly made the most of it. You've reached out to clubs all over the world and invited guest speakers to speak in Athens virtually. I was one of them, and thank you so much for inviting me. I enjoyed delivering my talk, and I enjoyed interacting with the group. I can see that you've got really high standards, and I can also see that Georgia and the committee have worked really hard to make your club the best it can be. And also, you made the most of the virtual environment. So well done on that. I'm sorry I couldn't join you this evening, but I'm sure it will be a fantastic event. So I look forward to hearing more about your club and activities and wish you all the very best.